Finally, a sigh of relief because you guys have successfully completed your class 10th board examination. A heartiest congratulations to all of you. Now, you can be a topper or you can be an average student, it does not matter because you deserve to be celebrated. Class 10th board is actually a major milestone for all the students. Now, if you have also just finished your class 10th and you're like, okay, now I will relax, well, let me stop you right there. Because now you will be bombarded with questions. What stream are you going to take? Are you taking science? Are you taking commerce? And if you're taking science, what are you going to take? Are you taking maths, biology, or both? Well, I am pretty sure based on your surroundings and where we are today, many of the students are thinking, okay, let me take maths, I'll do engineering. Let me take bio, I'll be a doctor. Or let me take both PCMB so that I can do both. So, if you also have this confusion, then this video is for you and you should definitely watch this video till the end because we have an amazing surprise for you. Hi, my name is Yashika. I'm a biology mentor at Sai Astra and here I am today to guide you, to tell you what are the pros and cons of having maths, biology or both in your class 11th and how you can actually manage your class 11th and 12th if you also want to prepare your entrance exams. Because see, we all know if in India you want to have a successful career, you need to crack or you need to actually have a very strong hold at least in one of the entrance exams which has national importance. So without any further ado, let's begin with our video. Boards are done. Now the real game begins. PCM, PCB or PCMB. Now here you all know that many students are going to be like, okay, my parents want me to be a doctor, my parents want me to be an engineer. But what about those students who want to be a scientist, who actually want to pursue core research, core science, who want to, who have dreams actually to become astronauts, astrophysicists, or they want to work in drugs, medicines, forensic sciences? What about those people? Where are they going to fit in? Well, if you are also the students who are getting a lot of parental pressure, who are under your friend group's influence, or you do not have a career clarity if you want to take maths or biology, then this video is for you. Because I know I was also as confused as you people were in my class 11th, and very honestly, I also took biology under my parents' pressure. So if you are a PCM student, what do you have to study? You have to study physics, chemistry and mathematics. And not only that, in physics you will have mechanics, wave optics, thermodynamics, modern physics. In chemistry, you will have physical chemistry, organic, inorganic and electrochemistry. And in mathematics, you have calculus, algebra, trigonometry, coordinate geometry, statistics. Now, if you are not understanding what are these terms, what are these chapters, do not worry, you do not have to know them right now. When you will actually sit in your class 11th, you will know each and every term, each and every chapter by heart. Now, what are the career paths that are available if you are a PCM student? First, of course, everybody knows you have your IITs through your JEE. You also have your IAT exam, that is your IISER aptitude test. Now, IISER aptitude test is an exam which is actually, an entry gate to not just one but more than 8 colleges. How so? Because you get admission in your IISc Bangalore, India's top research, or I should say India's top science college that is there, IISc Bangalore, which is a dream college for many students. Then you get admission into 7 IISERs. Yes, you have 7 IISERs. Now, all these colleges are colleges of national importance. After that, you also can get admission in 2 IITs, that is your IIT Guwahati and IIT Madras. Yes, these 2 IITs also take admission through your IISER aptitude test. And lastly, you have your ISCS Kolkata. ISCS Kolkata is actually Asia's oldest research institute, and this was actually the institute from where actually India got its first Nobel Prize in Science, and it was given to us by Dr. C.V. Raman sir. I am sure you would have studied about the Raman effect. If not, you will definitely study that also in your 11th and 12th. Now you have another exam which is your NEST exam, which is your National Entrance Screening Test. And through this exam, you can get admission into your NISA Bhubaneswar and CBS Mumbai. And the fun fact is that these 2 institutes, they actually come under Department of Atomic Energy, which is directly under your Prime Minister's office. Yes, this is the first this is the only institute that comes under your Department of Atomic Energy. Then you have career options in data science, AI and ML, that is your AI, as we all know, ML is machine learning. We have defense, you can give your NDA exam, you can go into Army, Navy, Air Force, and if you actually go into Air Force, from here you can also become astronauts. Now you can also enter Merchant Navy, you can be an aerospace engineer, you can also pursue pure science like BSc, MSc or research. Now this was for all the PCM students. Now, what are the pros and cons? You should actually avoid taking PCM if you are scared of maths or maths is very boring. Do not take this as a safer option ki, I have nothing, I have maths, something will happen. Do not do that. Then if you are picking it due to your parental pressure, or if bio or medicine is your true passion and you're like, okay, let me take maths, I will balance everything. No, do not do that. And if you haven't prepared for competitive exams, now JEE, IIT, NEST, all these exams, they require a very good hold in mathematics. And if at all you feel like mathematics is scary, or if I will be able to do it or not, well, don't worry. I have a solution to that problem also, but for that you'll have to wait a little bit more. But you should definitely take maths if you enjoy solving mathematical problems. If maths is, something that excites you, you want to go into that field of mathematics. If numbers are something that makes you happy, playing with numbers, if solving equations is like, yeah, that's my cup of tea, then mathematics is definitely the subject for you. Now coming to the students who want to take PCB. Now for all the students, physics and chemistry is going to be the same. But for biology, you will have botany, you will have zoology, you will have human physiology, you will have genetics, you will have ecology, and you will also be having biotechnology. Yes, it is again a very interesting topic in biology. Trust me, I love that subject. Since we all know the most common path for students who take biology is NEET, MBBS, BDS, or you can also appear for your, BSc nursing courses, your veterinary courses, homeopathic courses, Ayurvedic courses. But here is a problem. NEET has very limited seats, and the applications every year, they go up to around 24 lakhs, and you have some 1,000 seats. So the ratio of the people who are giving the exams versus the number of seats is not very balanced, right? Then you can also apply in your AIIMS and JIPMA through your, again, NEET examination. But for all the students, again, who want to pursue pure science, who actually understand concepts, who want to learn what is the core of your science, for them, again, research is a very good option. Now here also your IISc Bangalore, your 7 IISers, your NISA Bhubaneswar, CBS Mumbai, IIT Mandi, IIT Madras, IIT Guwahati, and your IICS Kolkata can be a favorable options. But a very, very, very big disclaimer. To get admission into IISc Bangalore, okay, you need mathematics as your compulsory subject in class 12th. So if you are a biology student and you're like, I'll go to IISc Bangalore, and if you do not have mathematics in your class 12, IISc Bangalore gates are closed for you. Okay, so do not make this mistake and pick your subjects very, very carefully. Now, PCB is better for you or PCM is better for you, it does not matter. If you are a PCB student, you genuinely love biology, you want to become a doctor, or if you want to become a scientist who researches in medicine, who researches in drug designing, like myself, I am working in cancer biology, medicine designing since 4 years now, right? Or if you are somebody who want to focus all their energy on one exam and they want to actually do something for mankind, then PCB is actually a very good career option for you. But again, without mathematics, it is going to be a little difficult. So in my personal opinion, if you can manage both PCMB together, it would actually be a very, very, very smart choice. Because once you have mathematics, even if you don't score, 100% in mathematics, but at least you have that concept clarity, then your physics will become automatically strong, your chemistry will become automatically strong. And even biology, many chapters in your biology are purely based on mathematics only. So those chapters also become something that you can just do in the blink of an eye. So those things, keeping those things in mind, you need to select your stream very, very carefully. Your options are actually going to get limited when you proceed further in your career. But if you have both, you have a gateway open both ways. Yes, you can pursue career in mathematics also, and you can pursue career in biology also. Now, if you see in your NEET, like I said, 24 lakh students actually, just give the examination for your NEET, and in your JEE, around 12 to 13 lakh plus students every year sit for your JEE examination. And many students actually don't know that there are other exams also like your IIT and NEST through which you can actually prepare or you can basically pursue science. And if you actually see this medical seat reality, okay, you have only 1.8 lakh MBBS seats versus you have 24. This is written 22.7, but actually it is more than 24 lakh students who give this examination. And if you look at your JEE examination also, 13.2 lakh plus students and only top 2% can actually make it to your IITs or NITs. And if you feel like, okay, 11th is just like, you'll chill a bit and then later you'll see what to do in class 12, well, that is also very, very wrong, because there is a drastic shift in your class 10th to class 11th syllabus, and 50% of all your entrance exams comprise of your 11th syllabus. So if you do not have a good hold on your class 11th syllabus, you will not be able to do your 12th also properly, and you will not be able to do your competitive exams also properly. And as a result, many students end up taking drops or they end up going into normal BSc colleges. Now, if you also don't want to do that mistake, then start preparing for your entrance exam, because you only have 2 years. Well, there is a reason it take 1 year to complete your 11th and 1 year to complete your 12th. There is a reason why we are giving 2 years for you to actually build that foundation so that you can give your entrance exam. So do not waste these years, because they are very, very important. Now, this was all about if you want to take PCM, PCB or PCMB. If you are also the person who are very, very serious about their career after your class 12, but you need guidance, then don't worry, Sayastra is here, because Sayastra is the only institute, and trust me, it will be the only institute in India which has actually, helped students reach their dream institutes like ISC Bangalore, your 7 IISers and your NISA Bhubaneswar, CBS Mumbai. Why? Because Sayastra is well known for getting excellent ranks in these institutes, be it All India rank 1, 3, 7, double digit, single digit or triple digit. You name it and Sayastra has got it. Because last year in ISC Bangalore, where we organized the fresher, by the way, 20 plus selections, I think there are around 50-60 seats, 20 plus selections were from Sayastra. In your 7 IISers, 20 to 25% students who went there, they were from Sayastra. And through your NEST in NISA Bhubaneswar and your CBS Mumbai, 50% of the admissions actually were from the students who studied from Sayastra. Now, if you also want to be in this list and you also want to be celebrated like these students, then we have the right guidance for you, because these students were there with us from day one and you also have a chance. Now, Sayastra has got for you its Homie batches, which is specifically designed for class 11 student. So if you look here, we have our Homie 1.0. Now, all these batches are actually named after your scientist. So Homi Baba is actually the name of this batch. So it was given after his name. So here you will be having your mentors who have actually studied from your research institute, so they know what mindset your professors have while setting the paper. So your mentors are going to be from ISC Bangalore, IISers, IITs and NISA. You will be getting complete syllabus of class 11th. You will be having classes from Monday to Saturday. You will be getting lecture notes and live class recordings after every class, immediately after every class. You will have DPP and chapter-wise PYQs, and you will be having your regular IIT and NEST mock tests. That to be in your CBT mode. Yes, you will be having all your exams in your computer-based test so that you can actually get that feel of that examination. You will also be getting All India JEE and NEET test series worth rupees 4,000. And not only that, if you have any doubt, we also have our very own Sayastra's AI instant doubt solver support. And if you feel mentally stressed or if you want some relaxation sessions, we have got you covered in that also, because Sayastra has its yoga and meditation for focus and mental clarity. And the best part is that all your syllabus for class 11th for physics, chemistry, maths and biology, all 4 subjects, it will be completed by 31st January 2026, right? So if you see, in January you have your finals, you will have your pre-boards, you will have your practicals. So even before you enter that step, your entire syllabus will be well covered. Now coming to your next patch, that is Homie 2.0. Now this is a slightly upgraded version where you will be getting all the features that we saw in your Homie 1.0. Other than that, additionally, you will also be having JEE Mains and NEET revision series along with your IIT and NEST preparation. So it is actually very, very amazing. You will be getting your All India IIT, NEST, JEE and NEET test series, which is actually worth 8,000 rupees. and there is going to be special guidance for students who take PCM or PCB. So non-maths and non-bio students will be getting actual, guidance. You will have monthly interaction with your ICERites. All the students who went to ICER, NICER, ISC Bangalore, you will get an opportunity to talk to them and you'll get to know what mistakes you can avoid in your class 11th. And you will also have class 11 fast track revision series. You'll be getting a topper shout out on Sayastra's community, and you will also be getting interactive sessions with your Sayastra mentors. Yes, you can actually interact with us. You can actually interact with the mentors. Now coming to the OG of this Homey course, that is your Homey 3.0. Now this includes all the features of Homey 1.0, 2.0. Additionally, you will be getting personal attention from top mentors who are actually from your research institutes. You will be getting personalized roadmap and strategies. You will get post-procrastination solution. You will have personalized to-do list. You will be having accountability and strategy meetings. And not only that, you will be given homework. You will be given, focus on your weaknesses so that you do not miss a single mark, or you do not miss the chance of going to your dream institute by even a single mark. You will have mentorship and doubt solving WhatsApp group. You will have two-tier support, personal as well as academic concerns, because we all know that if at all we ever have some personal issues, okay, now it can be of any type. It can be health related, relationship related, family related, anything at all. You will always see an effect in your academic also. So you can actually have a mentor with whom you can discuss it. No judgment. It would be absolutely confidential. And what else do you need? You will be having dedicated batch counselor for all your concerns. You will have a basic to advanced question solving class, detailed student report. So you will actually be getting a report card which will tell how well you're doing in your exams, what is your attendance, and everything will be noted. You will be actually giving a home delivery for our best 8 books for IIT and NEST. Those are our mastering books, which are worth rupees 5,000. So you will be getting all India test series for your IIT, your NEST exam, JEE, NEET, CUET, NCET, which is worth rupees 14,000. You will be getting free Olympiad crash courses and test series. And not only that, you will also be getting Sayastra Gold, which is previous year full recording. And you will have offline exam guidance at Sayastra Center, and you will have monthly toppers talk, also known as Scientist Ki Pathshala. And not only that, you will also be getting monthly PTM meetings, which are again optional for all the students. And if you are already in class 12 and you want to give your IIT and NEST exam right now, then Sayastra has got for you its offline crash course also. First 2 classes have already happened, so you can actually come and study from the mentor face to face in a classroom, which is happening in JSS University Sector 62 Noida. So do not miss this opportunity. Now coming to the price reveal. Now if I talk about your first Homey 1.0, so our Homey 1.0 batch was initially priced at 6,500, but it is now at 23% discount. So the current price is 4,999. Coming to our Homey 2.0, which was initially priced at 10,000, we have a 12% off on that, and it is currently priced at 8,800. Our Homey 3.0, the OG of all Homey courses, it was initially priced at 90,000, but currently it is at 13% off, so it is at 78,000 rupees only. So do not worry, because if you have any queries, you can list them down in the comment section below. And if you want to contact us directly, if you want to talk to us directly, Sayastra support team's details would be there in the pinned section. You can leave your comments. We will definitely revert back. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel so that you stay updated. And not only that, for all the students who are going to class 11th, we have a new YouTube channel, which is Sayastra Class 11. So don't forget to follow that channel, because all the important details related to class 11th will be updated on that channel also. This was all about your PCM, PCB or PCMB. If you have any queries, you can go ahead and ask fearlessly. Don't worry, because we are here to help you out with your career, and all the best for your future.